Hey guys, what is up? This is Fireman here. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are looking at a tutorial on how to use the MyBroadcast plugin created by me, or Fireman. I don't know what to call it. But let's click the plugin. So it's basically a plugin created by me, and what it allows you to do is that make your own broadcasts, like for example, Hello World, and also supports some color codes, which is awesome. So this is my first plugin ever. I don't know if it's first plugin because I was testing other plugins, like I was experimenting with Java plugins and stuff. Anyway, you can either download it from Curse or Bucket. I usually hang on. Okay, I usually pick a Bucket because it's basically easier because sometimes Curse doesn't work. Like it does work. I mean, like sometimes it doesn't for like other plugins. Oh wow, what the heck? What in the world? I have not realized I got 60 downloads from here too. Wow. Wow. Awesome. Anyway, let's download it from here. You can either download from Curse or from here. If you're premium, you just press download now. Anyway, you press MyBroadcast.jar or click download. Click keep if you're on Google Chrome. If you're not on Google Chrome, like if you're like in Internet Explorer or Firefox, then that's okay. Because this supports I don't know. Anyway, so once you have downloaded it, you need to start a server. I can't follow the details on like what to do. Yeah, I don't know that much how to tell people. But you can look at the Bucket Wiki. I did that and it helped me a lot. So once you have started a server and you have to close your server, you have to drag MyBroadcast into plugins. Now, this doesn't make a folder or anything, so you might think that it's not working or anything, but it is totally working. If you want to see if it's working, alright, just click start.bat or any other .bat. I don't know. You can name your folder anything. Yeah. You see it says MyBroadcast loading MyBroadcast v1.0, which is good because MyBroadcast is basically like a plugin where you can make your own broadcasts, which is awesome. Yeah, sorry if it says test server with plugins. I was testing some plugins on like servers. I have like a test plugin or something. Anyway, I'm gonna set my IP, so you won't see my IP anyway. So let me quickly stop oh wait, I'm not. Anyway, so if you do /MB, it says I'm sorry, but you don't have permission. So I'm gonna put the permission screen right now. So yeah, it's a bit too complicated, I know, but you can get worth it. If you don't have a permissions plugin, I recommend you get it. Because if you don't, then you can't manage your server well. If you're just testing plugins, then just opt yourself because it's easier. So I'm gonna opt Fireman 211. So, and then we can do MB help, MB credits. So I have credits. So what the main thing we want to do is BM. What BM stands for is broadcast message. Some people think it's broadcast my for some odd reason, like reverse. And MB is my broadcast. So It's not message broadcast. Sorry if I confused you a bit. Yeah, so I didn't want, I want a professional plugin with not like large words or anything like that. Anyway, if we do BM, it says, please type in a message. So, you're like, what? I don't get it. Well, if it doesn't say please type in a message, then, that means I updated the plugin or something. With, like, 2 short arguments or something. Arguments mean, like, for example, arguments mean, like, help 1 or 2 or 3. The numbers are arguments. Or, the plugin name is arguments, like MB. MyBroadcast. Like, for example, like that. So, what we want to do is that, we want to, make a podcast. So, VM. Look at that. It was set on console, which is awesome. So, BM, and 4, it does nothing. Because you need to type in the message, which is actually cool to like put this in here to like clear chat or something for like console or something, which is pretty awesome. I really love this plugin. How much work I put into it. Hang on, let me put. Sorry, I was leaning forward. Anyway, so you can type any message like hello world. It says in console as well. If we do say hello world, it says on console, which is very awesome. I actually like put the sender. If you don't know sender or any of that means, then you must learn Java. I'm serious. You must learn Java. Yeah. You don't need to learn Java. Yeah, I know Java a lot. Anyway. So we can do and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Sorry if this is taking a while. 7, 8, 9, A, B, N. Oh wait, it's a bit glitched out because console doesn't translate other commands. What? And L. Okay. Yeah, console doesn't do that much at all. Like with and R and I don't know that much about color codes because I don't work with color codes that much, but anyway, as we see, we have like all of this, which is pretty awesome, am I right? Yeah, it actually translates in console, which is awesome. And it doesn't translate from console if you do and K, which is a bit confusing. I wish Batch had that, but it doesn't. What can I think of? And N. Oh, I already did that. I forgot. And M. Oh wait, it does that. Wow. Anyway, you can type any message you want. I wish you can. I should really do it for console because some players might want to like troll players, and the players have like for example, command spy. And like, or they have like a plugin like the newer version of Command Spy, but it doesn't do console commands. It doesn't show console commands. So you control players with this, which is very awesome. I love this plugin. This is my first plugin ever. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.